let's whip up some super easy overnight oats today. We have done an overnight oats recipe in the past. It contains some PB2 powder. We topped it with blueberries, maple syrup, all that fun stuff. It was absolutely amazing. This recipe is going to contain some cinnamon, some vanilla. We're gonna let it set overnight in the refrigerator and top it with some extra goodness, okay? So what you're gonna need is a half a cup of rolled oats, a half a cup of chilled LifeBoost coffee, whatever flavor you decide, 1/2 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/2 tablespoon of some kind of a super seed. So you can use flaxseed, you can use chia. This one is a chia, flaxseed, and whole hemp seed mix that I'm going to use. All we're gonna do is throw all these together in our bowl, mix it up real good, put a lid on that, and pop this into the refrigerator overnight. All right, friends, for our video purposes, I did let the overnight oats sit for just a couple of hours, so they're not technically overnight oats, but I wanted to show you what you can do with this next. So as you can see, they have already thickened up. Those seeds also play a big part in that to get that nice thick oatmeal texture. I do have some Greek vanilla yogurt here, some sliced bananas, some honey. I'm going to put these things right on top of my overnight oats. You can use whatever you would like. If you would like to add, maple syrup, chocolate chips, and nut butter, different fruit, whatever your preference is, to just add a little bit more, flair to your oatmeal, that would be fun. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put these things on here. I might do a little dash of extra cinnamon, and you are good to go. And your breakfast is ready for you. As usual, if you try this recipe, please let us know. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.